HobbyKidsGaming.
Happy, happy, joy, joy. 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 Happy, joy, joy.
Happy joys.
What's going on, all you hobby kids? We have Shopkins today. Amazing! It's the So Cool fridge with 6 mini
Itty bitty teeny weeny little Shopkin eggs. They're so cute. Really cute, Hobby Mom. Olaf is gonna help today too.
Oh, welcome, Olaf. We have not 1, not 2, but 3 surprise toy Kinder Joy eggs.
Do you got yummy chocolate in it?
Oh yeah, that's why they're really here. They're here for the chocolate.
I knew it.
So you guys want to start with the fridge?
Yeah.
I think I want to too. Let's see what the back of the box looks like. It's got 2 exclusive, super cool Shopkins. Not just regular Shopkins, but super cool. 6 mini Shopkins. Push, pop, and drop. Wow. Even the side of the box is really cute with all of its little artwork. Look at that. And the little ice cube.
Here, let me show you. I'll show all the Hobby Kids. First, I need an egg. Well, a Shopkin. So we get out the Shopkins.
Yeah, what 2 Shopkins did you get that came with it?
We got those 2.
We got soda and ice cream.
Yummy.
Oh, I love how the soda is clear. Like maybe it's like, what, 7-Up or Sprite? Do you guys like 7-Up and Sprite?
Yeah.
Me too.
I'm going to show you guys how it works.
Oh, good. Okay, how does it work?
So you put a Shopkin in here. Then...
Oh, ooh, do that again.
So I'm going to get ice cream this time. It's going into chocolate ice cream with strawberries.
Oh, that'd be so good. How cute. I love it.
What? The drawer comes out? Whoa.
It came all the way out. How about the little eggies? Do the eggies come out?
They do.
So there's that little face. There's that little face.
Oh, the eggs are so little and cute.
They are.
They're really tiny and cute.
How about put the pecan pie in the drawer?
Comes with stickers.
Oh, it sure does. We can decorate. I've never had a Shopkins that came with stickers before. This is so cute. Will you guys help me put them on?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
There's something inside here.
Inside the little fridge.
Just letting you know, these are the eggs.
Oh, you put little egg stickers there. I love it. What does this thing do? So it moves the eggs up and down?
Yeah.
Well, we don't want to move it too much. We don't want to have scrambled eggs. We want to keep them whole like this. Oh, that's the little grocery list. I love it.
Hi, Mom, can you give me an autograph for this?
Oh, sure. I'll give you my autograph. It has a little thermostat and it shows that it's cold. See the little snowflake? You press the little button. Look, Hobby Kid put a little sticker on there for me. Thank you, Hobby Kid.
Welcome.
Let's put the orange in there. Oh, I want some orange juice, please. Yum. Mmm, delicious. I think it's time to open up a
Chocolate surprise egg.
oh boy.
I got it.
Oh, what is that? Let me see.
Ooh, actually, they're not. Actually. Ooh, what's in this side? Wow, what's the ice cream? What is that?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate. What's the white stuff?
Chocolate. It's white chocolate. How is it?
Good. Hobby Kid, go get a spoon for us, please. Can you get that little chocolate meatball out there for me, please?
Chocolate meatball?
Yeah.
Some sort of malt ball, huh?
Hobby Mom, would you like some?
Oh, thank you.
Can you give me one too? Okay. So good.
That's really good. So it came with little stickers. So the hula hoop goes over the little ballerina and then we spin her. Ready? Oh! Okay, Hobby Mom failed on that one. Let's try that again.
Whoa! Wow! I'm gonna try. Let's see if
Try it again.
Whoa!
Hey, you did better than me.
Hobby Kids, we forgot. This is a spoon.
That's what we're supposed to use that for. Oops.
Instead of these. I did it. Look, see, watch.
Ooh, look at you, mister.
Let's see if I can do that.
Ooh, she looks so cute spinning. I think the little Shopkins likes it. She's like,
will you be my friend? No! Hello, nice to meet you.
will this giant egg fit in there? Ah, no, it won't fit.
Aww.
Will it fit inside the fridge?
Duh.
What if we take out the shelves? Can we take the shelves out? Ooh, we can. That's really neato. We could store our chocolate eggs in there.
It worked.
That's so cool.
Ooh.
Oh no, they're shaking. Oh. Is that supposed to happen?
I don't know.
Me either. We're gonna open up the second chocolate egg.
I got it.
Right.
Ooh, a spoon.
There's the spoon for the chocolate. We figured that out.
Wow.
Wow.
Can I add some?
Mm-hmm. Let's open up the toy.
First. Another one? Yeah.
Is it another ballerina?
Yeah.
Same stickers?
Same stickers.
So we have two now.
Yeah.
You think I can spin them both? Think I can do it?
Mm-hmm.
Aw, what confidence you have in your mother. Ooh, that one won. It went the longest. Let's try it again.
That one's Hobby Mama. That one's Hobby Kid Girl.
Ooh, now that one won. Try it one more time. Oh.
Oh. We could eat a chocolate egg.
Ooh, I love chocolate. Chocolate. Follow the chocolate.
Actually, no.
Oh, you don't want to share with me?
Actually, yeah.
Yay! Okay, open up the chocolate.
Okay.
Chocolate, chocolate, plus a free toy.
I'm just kidding, Yosa. I'm really kidding.
Okay, good. Ooh, this is a different one.
Ooh, yes.
Let's put it together.
Mmm.
we landed on that one.
So we need to find it.
Right. Ah, okay, your turn.
Okay.
Which one did it land on?
Koala.
Now pick out a card. Ah, you got it! You got the koala. You won! Awesome sauce.
The egg found her mommy.
Aw, little Shopkins mommy egg.
Yeah!
Click on the light bulb to visit the Hobby Mom playlist, or click on one of these videos to keep the Shopkins fun going. You can also click on the link in the description. I'll see you guys on the next show. Thanks for watching. Toodles!